Good evening everyone. Today I am going to talk about rights. So rights are basically claims. It is said by different political philosophers. There are so many definitions, like Professor Lasky said, rights are those conditions of social life without which no man can be at his best self. Also he has said that the state is known by the rights it maintains. It is necessary to study the rights of citizen, because if we don't claim, we can't get our rights. Right is defined as a power or claim possessed by an individual against others, and it's recognized as the uphold by the state. Okay, so rights are external conditions necessary for the greatest possible development of capacities of the personality of individuals. Characteristics of rights. There are 4 basic characteristics of rights. Number 1, rights arises only in society. It is given by society and protected by the state. It is guaranteed by the state or protected by the state. Number 3, rights originates from the claim of an individual. Number 4, rights are definite and universal. It is not transferable. It is universal. Everyone has their own rights. So next point is classification of rights. Rights are divided into 2 categories. Number 1 is moral rights and number 2 is legal rights. Legal rights further divided into 3 categories: social rights, political rights and economic rights. Social rights are like right to life, right to liberty, right to property, right to contract, right to freedom of speech and expression, right to association, right to religion and conscience, right to family, right to culture and language, right to equality. These are all social rights. Number 2 is political rights. Political rights are like right to vote, right to be elected, right to hold public office, right to petition, right to criticize government, right to residence, right to protection, right to public meeting. These are all political rights. Then economic rights. Economic rights like right to work, right to rest and leisure, right to social insurance, right to right to vocation, right to adequate wages. These are all economic rights. So these are all basic kinds of rights. Thank you.